How to use Sudowrite review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Sudowrite is a powerful iWriting tool, but beginners often make mistakes that limit its potential. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is expecting it to write perfectly on the first try. Most people get this wrong by treating iOutput as final. Use Sudowrite as a collaborator, review, edit and refine every suggestion for quality and clarity. Second mistake, underutilizing features. You won't believe how many users ignore tools like brainstorming, expanding, or rewriting sentences. These features can transform drafts into polished content if used strategically. Third mistake, inputting vague prompts. The surprising truth is Sudowrite works best with detailed, specific instructions. Clear context, tone, and style prompts produce more accurate results. Fourth mistake, relying solely on AI for creativity. Sudowrite enhances ideas but cannot replace original thought. Combine human creativity with AI suggestions for the best output. Finally, ignoring export and formatting options is common. Learn how to properly export your work into Word, Google Docs, or Markdown to streamline workflow. By using Sudowrite as a collaborative tool, leveraging all features, providing detailed prompts, balancing AI with your creativity, and managing exports effectively, you can maximize its potential. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your writing process will be faster, smarter, and far more productive.